Hello guys, and welcome to the first daily market outlook video for the TFT YouTube page. Today I'm going to go over the Euro USD chart and what trades I'd be looking for today. So I'm going to start off here on the weekly so we can build a bit of a bias as to what we anticipate is going to be happening. So as you can see here, way back in 2001, we've had this last area of demand being tapped, pulled down, and then obviously we've had an impulse up. So this is sort of our last area of supply coming down. So we have broken this previous area just here with this wick, and so I would anticipate the next level that we're going to be heading down to on the weekly would be down into this larger area here. So now moving over to the daily, and we can start to zoom in on our current pricing action. So you can see here, we are very, very bearish. We're creating lower highs and lower lows all the way down here. Now you can see this last impulse that broke structure here. We're coming up to this 50% region of the impulse. And we've got quite a good little base candle set there. So what we like to do is I like to highlight that as an area of interest as we go down through the timeframes and see what's going on there. As you can see, we're just tapping into that, but we haven't quite tapped the 50% yet, which makes me believe we could see prices go a little bit higher as yet before we see a continuation lower. Dropping down to the 4 hour. 4 hour starting to tell us a little bit more here. So we'll get rid of this fib. So basically we've had this impulse down. We've come down, set a low, had a retrace, set a lower low, and then we've come up and broken structure through here. You can see we've broken that little high there. So that indicates a break of structure, which is an indication of a reversal. Had the strong impulse up, and then we've started to create bullish momentum now, coming lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, and we are yet to set a new high off that previous high there. So this is what I'd be looking for today as to whether we can break this high and continue further bullish. Okay, dropping down to the hour, we can probably start to we can start to consolidate this range down a little bit. Now, as you can see here, we've had a strong impulse up, a breakaway, a bit of consolidation here and a breakdown. Now that consolidation range there, that old Asian range high has been swept by this candle and then had a big rejection out. And as you can see, we've come back up to those areas. We keep getting rejected, but the rejection's getting weaker, which indicates that the liquidity in this area is getting less and less, and probably indicates more that we're going to get that the bulls are going to continue to push the price higher. And with this bullish structure starting to form on the 1 hour, again, we want to see for a reversal, we would want to see a break of these lows, and then obviously looking for a chance for a short at that point. Going down to the 15-minute. Now, this is where I like to trade, is the 15-minute. We could probably get rid of this big range here. So basically, we're looking over the past few days, what sort of area we've got here. Now, this is quite consolidated range here, but we can see we are still setting bullish structure, high, low, and then high. And so even within this structure, we've got high, low, high, low. So we are still, on the 15-minute, we are still respecting bullish structure. So today, I'd be calling this range fairly consolidated. So I'd be looking at a consolidated Asian range. There's two variants that we can look for a consolidated Asian range. First one is a break to the low side for a continuation higher. That's in a bullish scenario, or for a secondary variant, we could see a break to the high side, a pullback to an internal structure within the Asian range, and then obviously a continuation higher. So basically what I would be looking for then is that if we are going to continue to hold this bearish structure, no, bullish structure, sorry. We've got this little candle here. If we drop down, I'm sure if we drop down on the 5-minute time frame here, we can see in this area, we have created a little bit of liquidity. All right. We have created a little bit of liquidity in here, which has then been wicked down. Liquidity has been taken and then pushed up to the high side, and then pushed away. So we could have some open orders in here. So for me, this area here could look, could be looking for some longs based on any reversal candle structures and stuff that may come up. So looking for that, or we could see a break to the high side. Could see a break to the high side, but if we did see a break to the high side for a continuation, I would like to see a break of this area here. So we would like to see a push up, even a take of liquidity on the top, come down, find an internal structure anywhere around the 50% of the Asian range or lower. We could look for possible longs, or we could look for a break to the low side in there and then a push up out of the range. So they're the two outcomes I personally would be looking for with today. Again, trade with your own risk, and yeah, happy trading. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest tradesmen's Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.